Today I'm going to show you how to delete cookies in Google Chrome quickly and easily. This is a simple fix if you're having website issues, want to clear old site data, or just want to improve your browser privacy. The best part is that it only takes a few seconds once you know where to go. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Chrome tips and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you're going to use a very handy keyboard shortcut that takes you directly to the Clear Browsing Data window. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. On Windows and Linux, that shortcut opens the cleanup menu instantly. If you're using a Mac, you would typically use Command, Shift, and Delete instead. After you press the shortcut, a new settings window will appear. This is where you can choose exactly what you want to remove from Chrome. Now look for the option called Cookies and Other Site Data. Go ahead and check that box because that is the main setting you need if your goal is to delete cookies. Cookies are small files that websites store in your browser to remember your login, preferences, and browsing activity. In many cases, removing them can fix sign-in problems, broken pages, or websites that aren't loading correctly. If you want a deeper clean, you can also select cached images and files. This is optional, but it can help free up space and force Chrome to load the latest version of websites instead of stored files. Just keep in mind that clearing cache may make some sites load a little slower the first time after deleting. Next, you need to choose the time range for the data you want to remove. Chrome usually gives you options like last hour, last 24 hours, and all time. If you only want to clear recent browsing data, you can pick one of the shorter time ranges. But if you want to remove everything and start fresh, choose all time. That will clear cookies and data from the entire browsing history period available in Chrome. This is usually the best choice if you're troubleshooting a persistent issue or you want a full reset of site data. Once you've selected the correct time range and checked the boxes you need, it's time for the final step. Click Delete Data. Chrome will now remove the selected cookies and, if you chose it, the cached files too. Depending on how much data you have, this may take just a moment. After that, the cookies are now removed and you're done. You may notice that some websites sign you out, and that's completely normal because cookies often store login sessions. The next time you visit those sites, you may need to log back in and re-enter certain preferences. So that's how to delete cookies in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.